Our kidneys play a crucial role in helping our bodies get rid of excess water and waste products from the blood. They aid in hormone production and help to balance our electrolyte levels. In general, they don't require any special cleaning as they're capable of detoxifying and cleaning blood on their own. But sometimes they may not be functioning optimally, and that may cause buildup of waste products in our body, which can lead to serious health issues. To prevent this from happening, our body may need a booster of some kind to help the kidneys to perform how they should. A specific process or product that aims to support and enhance the natural detoxification functions of the kidneys. That is called a detox, or cleansing of the kidneys. In this video, I will reveal 4 simple natural remedies that can help to detox and cleanse the kidneys. Make sure to watch this video to the end to find out which one of these 4 simple natural remedies is the most underrated but is so effective. Cranberry juice. Excess calcium oxalate in urine can contribute to kidney stone formation. Studies, like one published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2017, show that cranberry juice can reduce urine calcium oxalate levels by up to 20%. This can further help to prevent stones from forming, hence protecting the kidneys. Another threat to the kidneys is urinary tract infections. Cranberries also offer protection against them. In fact, a 2016 review study shows that women consuming dried cranberries for 2 weeks experienced a 50% decrease in UTI recurrence compared to a placebo group. Moreover, cranberries also have diuretic properties, which help flush out toxins and waste products, including those that could burden the kidneys. A 2019 study shows that cranberry juice increased urine volume by 27%, potentially reducing the risk of kidney-related issues. On top of that, tannin, the active compound in cranberries, acts as a natural defense against UTI. It prevents bacteria like E. coli from sticking to the bladder and urethra walls. A 2020 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry demonstrated that tannin's antibacterial action reduced E. coli adhesion by up to 80%. This, in turn, can protect your kidneys from the potential complications of UTI. To get the maximum benefits from cranberries for the optimum kidney health, aim for 10 ounces or 300 milliliters of 100% natural cranberry juice daily. Choose organic varieties to avoid added sugars and preservatives that can negate the health benefits. Enjoy it straight, blend it, or dilute it with water if you prefer a milder taste. Remember to always consult a medical practitioner before making changes to your regular routine, which will enable you to make informed decisions, especially if you have existing kidney conditions or are taking medications. I will put a link in the description for where you can buy 100% natural cranberry juice. If you use the link provided to make a purchase, I will get a small commission. Stinging nettle. Its diuretic properties confirmed by research make it a natural detoxifier. A 2014 study shows that nettle leaf extract increased urine output by 24% in participants compared to a placebo, aiding in the flushing of toxins and waste products from the kidneys and urinary tract. But the benefits of this plant don't stop there. Nettle is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds like cafe oil, malic acid and coridin, offering potent protection for your kidneys. A 2019 study shows that stinging nettle has the potential to reduce inflammation markers in the kidneys by up to 38%, potentially preventing damage and promoting overall kidney health. And let's not forget about stinging nettle root. It has shown promise in detoxifying the blood itself. Both creatinine and uric acid can build up in the blood and put a strain on the kidneys. A 2015 study suggests that nettle can lower creatinine levels by 21% and uric acid levels by 15%, which is great when it comes to kidney health. To incorporate stinging nettle into your kidney-friendly routine, you can opt for organic nettle leaf tea or stinging nettle root supplements. There will be links in the description on where to get organic nettle leaf tea and stinging nettle root supplements. If you use the links provided to make a purchase, I will get a small commission. But remember, it's always important to consult a medical practitioner before making any changes to your routine, especially if you have existing kidney conditions, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or are taking medication. Let's now turn our attention to a household staple with surprising kidney health benefits: apple cider vinegar. ACV's main component, acetic acid, has been shown to help break down small kidney stones, making them easier to pass through urine. A 2018 study even showed that ACV increased urine citrate levels by 16%, which helps to prevent kidney stone formation. But that's not all. Citric acid, another key component of ACV, binds with calcium in the urine to potentially prevent the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, a major component of kidney stones. ACV's compounds, including acetic acid and malic acid, can hinder harmful bacteria like E. coli from sticking to bladder walls, which reduces the risk of urinary tract infections. Moreover, ACV's ability to regulate the body's pH balance supports kidney function by maintaining an optimal environment for waste excretion. Consuming ACV before meals can even speed up metabolism and aid in digestion, indirectly supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. However, ACV is acidic and can damage teeth and irritate the esophagus, so diluting it and avoiding excessive consumption is crucial. Make sure to consult a medical practitioner before incorporating ACV into your routine. That way you will be able to make an informed decision, especially if you have existing kidney conditions, are taking medication, or have concerns about its acidity. There will be links in the description on where to get apple cider vinegar. If you use the links provided to make a purchase, I will get a small commission. Moving on, let's talk about an often overlooked plant that holds huge potential benefits for kidney health. But before I reveal this plant and its benefits, do me this small, quick and easy, but significantly important favor. As you're seated there watching this video, I'd like you to reach out for your device and click on the thumbs up symbol. Though it might seem like a small thing, but clicking on that thumbs up button carries immense significance. It is showing your appreciation for the information contained within this video. You're also helping to bring this content to the attention of other viewers. Imagine that little click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence many others. It's a small act, but its impact can be massive, spreading this valuable knowledge far and wide. Also, click on the share button and share this video across your social networks, through your emails and on all other platforms. The power of knowledge is in its distribution and in its sharing. In this age of information overload, quality content can often get lost. By sharing, you're ensuring that this valuable information reaches as many people as possible, contributing to a collective increase in knowledge. Now, in order to stay updated and to ensure that you'll never miss out on all the new informative videos that are posted, click the subscribe button and the bell beside it, then select all. Oh, and by the way, if you watch this video from your television, you can perform all these actions from your mobile phone or your computer. You're not just subscribing to a channel, but you're also joining a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated. Moreover, my channel is a treasure trove of information on how to live a healthy lifestyle. You'll gain access to a plethora of healthy recipes with easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. These recipes are not just delicious, they're also designed to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Apart from this, you will learn about superfoods, those nutrient powerhouses that can boost your health and energy. I don't just tell you what they are, but also explain their health benefits. Knowledge like this empowers you to make conscious, informed decisions about your diet. Furthermore, this channel seeks to educate you on how to listen to your body. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, sending us signs that tells us when something is off balance. By being part of my channel, you'll learn to interpret these signs, to understand when all is not well within your system. This knowledge is invaluable. It allows you to take proactive steps in taking care of your health. It's not just about me talking. I want to hear from you as well. Your comments, suggestions and queries all enrich this platform. They help me understand your needs better and give me an idea of how to curate content that's more relevant to you. So don't hesitate. Make a comment. It could be a question, a suggestion, or just a simple greeting. Remember, this channel is a dialogue, not a monologue. So, are you ready? Ready to be part of this knowledge-packed community? Go ahead, make a comment. I would love to hear from you. Moving on to cider. Although often considered a pesky weed, dandelion's diuretic effects offer promising implications for kidney function. A 2020 study found that dandelion leaf extract increased urine volume in participants by as much as 25%, highlighting its ability to help flush out toxins and waste products. But that's not all. Dandelion is rich in potassium, an essential mineral for healthy kidney function. Just 1 cup of dandelion root tea can offer a whopping 550 milligrams of potassium, fulfilling nearly 15% of your daily needs. In a 2019 study, dandelion extracts were found to enhance sodium extraction by 22%, promoting healthy blood flow, which is vital for optimal kidney function. Moreover, dandelion is a rich source of various antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds help to protect your kidney cells from damages caused by harmful free radicals. However, as with any dietary changes, be sure to consult a medical practitioner before incorporating dandelion into your routine, especially if you have existing kidney conditions or are taking medication. There will be links in the description on where to get dandelion root tea. If you use the links provided to make a purchase, I will get a small commission. Before we wrap up, I want to express my sincere gratitude for your time and interest. It's been a pleasure sharing this journey of health and wellness with you. Your comments, thoughts and experiences are invaluable, so don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comment section. By sharing this video with your loved ones, you may inspire them to embark on their own health journey. However, it's crucial to remember that the information provided here is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. We all have unique dietary needs and health conditions, so before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, please consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point and keep learning. Stay tuned for my next video, and until then, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.